In this video, I'm going to show you 10 powerful strategies to make $100 from CPA marketing every day. So, number one strategy is you can promote in Facebook group. Like number two is you can promote on Pinterest. Number three, you can start creating YouTube shorts. And number four, you can create SEO blog about on your niche to promote that offer. And number three is the for five, I think TikTok promotion. You can post short video, and six, you can send email. Uh, First, you can collect the email to give to free guide, and then you can promote your email offers, and you can also create a Instagram theme page, and also create strategy to free tool guide like that to make most sales. If you just need a 50 leads every day to make $100, if your offer is like $2, depends on your offer. Then and last step, if you have a budget, you can use ads. Like if your budget is from $5 to $25, then you can promote with your ads. Otherwise, I can also put a blog article about these 10 strategies to make $100 every day from CPA marketing. So I hope you can read that article, and this is how you can make $100 every day from CPM marketing. Promote high quality offer, use multiple source.